This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Go MMT की शान।
आज मेरे शो पर मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने सीईओज रिंग ऑफ ऑनर जीता है, एग्जेम्पलरी अचीवर ऑफ द ईयर। इन्हें हुए हैं बस 6 साल इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एंड ही इज कम्प्लीटली डेडिकेटेड। लाइक ही सेज, बस अभी अभी हमारी बातें हो रही थी कि प्रेशर के अंडर तो मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करता हूँ। Let's welcome Prince Jain from the Online Revenue Department to the show. He's based out of Gurgaon. Hi Prince, so nice to have you.
Hi Annie, hi everyone.
First of all, congratulations for winning the Exemplary Achiever of the Year CEO's Ring of Honor.
Thank you.
और इसका आपने ट्रिप भी कर लिया होगा।
Absolutely.
मजा आया इस ट्रिप पर?
Yeah, we loved it, all of us.
तो क्विकली बताइए ये ट्रिप कैसे यादगार रहा आपके लिए?
So I think Sri Lanka is one of my favorite destination. In fact, a couple of years back, I was there with my family. Now going there with with the people who won this award this time, with our leadership, was a special feeling in itself. And the destination also, Bentota, it is very peaceful, it's very calm. So I think I just loved it, enjoying the entire company of people and the place also very memorable for me.
Very good. तो जब आपका नाम पहले अनाउंस किया, was it a surprise or you knew you were going to win?
So a couple of days back, AL told me, Sobhishek Logani, he told me that I am getting this award. That was the first time I got to know it, and was a pretty different feeling at that time. Once it was announced at the big stage also, I think a lot of different emotions at that time. I think I was surprised a couple of times then.
1, 2, 3, 4.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag go.
Go MMT की शान।
गो एमएमटी की शान है प्रिंस जैन। ही इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव, ऑनलाइन रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट में है एंड यस ही वेंट ऑन टू विन एग्जेम्पलरी अचीवर ऑफ द ईयर सीईओज रिंग ऑफ ऑनर। अब वक्त आ चुका है प्रिंस टू प्ले अ बॉलीवुड क्विज। आपने बॉलीवुड चूज किया है, आर यू रेडी फॉर इट?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's see what you remember actually. Now, who played the role of Raju Rastogi in Three Idiots?
Raju Rastogi was Sharman Joshi.
Yes, absolutely
Yes.
right. In which movie did Kareena Kapoor play the role of Geet?
Jab We Met.
Yeah, oh my God, good with Bollywood, huh?
Yes.
Which 2001 film starring Amir Khan was nominated for an Oscar?
Was it Lagan?
Yeah. What is the name of the villain played by Amjad Khan in Sholay?
Gabbar.
That is correct. In the movie Dil Chahta Hai, who wanted to marry Preeti Zinta?
Again Amir Khan.
The correct answer is Saif Ali Khan.
Oh.
What is the name of the character played by Salman Khan in Dabangg?
Chulbul Pandey.
Yes, oh my God, yes. आपने मेमोरी को अच्छा खासा जोर दिया है। चुलबुल पांडे इज द करेक्ट आंसर। What is the name that is given to a film industry which follows the international film industry? क्या बोलते हैं इसे?
Hollywood.
वो तो इंटरनेशनल हुआ, हमारे यहाँ को क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी को?
Bollywood.
Yeah, which is what this quiz is about. Thank you so much. This was lovely.
Go MMT Radio.
Hello Go Trippers, our customers are our brand ambassadors, and so here's requesting that each one of us inculcate customer focus as a part of our value system in our day-to-day jobs. Hello, I am Mohit Kabra and you're listening to Go MT Radio, headset go.
Go MMT की शान।
प्रिंस जैन मेरे साथ है, ऑनलाइन रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट से हैं एंड ही इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव। ही इज द विनर ऑफ द एग्जेम्पलरी अचीवर ऑफ द ईयर सीईओज रिंग ऑफ ऑनर। मुझे बताना, तो पहली बार जब स्टेज पर आपका नाम अनाउंस किया, यू फेल्ट गूज़बम्स, व्हाट वाज इट लाइक?
Yes, absolutely. I think when it got announced, a lot of nostalgia about the entire journey,
Nice.
then getting announced at the big stage, and then ultimately realizing that fact that whatever you have worked in last 3-4 years or something, when it is getting recognized at this level, it's a different feeling altogether. I would have never felt that feeling before. Pretty different.
What about your family? Your wife, and if at all you have kids or your parents, how excited were they when they heard about this?
Yeah. So I think all of us in GoMT, our families are very much into our work. So they keep in realizing that how we are motivated and dedicated towards our office, even in non-office hours. So once they realize that this is an award which is of such high stature and then I am getting it, then they also felt pretty good that whatever he is doing is getting recognized at such a high level. So pretty happy. In fact, I have a 3-year-old kid. When he got to know, then he was pretty excited too. I think in Sri Lanka also there were multiple surprises from the HR side which were planned, which were coming from our family. So I think they were also pretty happy and amazed. And since they have been part of this entire journey, so it felt like that it is a award which they are getting pretty good, I feel.
तो आपके बेटे ने आपका अवार्ड हाथ में पकड़ के फोटो शोटो लिया कि नहीं?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, in one of the games, we won a medal. So he wore that medal. So that was like a very good feeling for me also.
Oh, that's so good, yeah.
Hello, fellow trippers. This is Satish Mani, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio Headset Go.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
I want you to grab all the opportunities in the coming months.
Sure, boss. I've already applied for leaves to avail all the long weekends of this year.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Go MMT की शान.
गो एमएमटी की शान प्रिंस जैन मेरे साथ हैं और आपके इस खिताब को पाने के बाद आपकी टीम जो है वो बहुत खुश हुई होगी. So tell me something about the work that you put in along with your team to win this award.
I think it's a complete team effort, and while I would have represented them in this year, they would definitely represent the entire team in coming years. And realizing that whatever our team is doing, that is fitting in their entire jigsaw puzzle and getting recognized at such large stage. So they were pretty happy. In fact, when I came back, we had a small catch-up also, small party regarding it. They also felt very happy about the entire thing and helps in everyone's motivation. I think the entire credit goes to the entire team. Like I said, I represented the team this year. Somebody else did last year. Maybe somebody else will do next year.
करेक्ट. एक ऐसा प्रोसेस बताइए या कुछ ऐसे आपका एक स्किल या एक तरीका बताइए जो आपने कंसिस्टेंट रखा थ्रू द ईयर, which you thought was very important in achieving those targets and which then of course led to winning this award.
So I'll say that maybe since the beginning, in fact the entire team, we keep our tasks and mind very clear about what exactly has to be done. And I have a OCD of sorts where my mind needs to be clear, the task needs to be closed. So in that ways, what our team does, or maybe what I have been doing, is that we give our heart out in every single thing that we do. We more act like entrepreneurs doing our work. I think giving 101% in everything with multiplier effect coming in, it makes it infinite.
Oh, that's good.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
टाइम है एक ब्रेक का. अच्छा, ब्रेक से याद आया, दोस्त अभी तक टी पॉट वाला नहीं आया.
Oh hell no.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Go MMT की शान.
The rapid fire round.
Your very first question. Which country invented paper?
Let me take a wild guess. China?
China, you giving me the right answer. Don't give me the right answer. You have to give me the wrong answer.
Okay. Greenland, because there's no one there.
All
Iceland.
right, good. I like that. I like where you're going with this.
Yeah.
What is the highest mountain peak in the world?
Highest mountain peak in the world. You want the mountain name or you want the size?
You have to give me the wrong answer.
So maybe Thar.
Okay. I like that. What is the national flower of India?
Tiger.
How do you ace a math test?
By writing essays.
Oh, what's the secret to career success? Especially in your case, the award that you have won.
Just sleep every day for 18 to 20 hours.
What's the best way to pack for a vacation?
Book a flight for yourself and land to the airport with just your mobile.
Oh, okay. What's Harry Potter's wand made of?
Bamboo stick.
Bamboo stick, huh? How do you make a sandwich?
By maybe boiling it with water.
What do you do with a book?
You use it as a pillow.
Use it as a pillow, okay. What do you use a phone for?
I think easy answer. I use my phone just to put it on my desk to hold something.
Oh, not bad. And the last question, where does the sun rise from?
This is easy. The sun rises from center.
All right, well done, Prince. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the conversation too.
Absolutely.
Congratulations again to you and your entire team for the effort, for the hard work, for the commitment you guys have shown. That helped you win this award, the Exemplary Achiever of the Year CEO's Ring of Honor. So kudos to you and your entire team, and all the very best for the future.
Thank you. Thanks, Annie.
Prince Jain on the show with me from the online revenue department. It's called Go MMT Ki Shaan. Ye Sachmuch MMT Ki Shaan hai. He's based out of Gurgaon. My name is Annie. It's time to wrap up. I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep that smile going and keep traveling.
Annual health चेकअप कराना है, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है। हुआ अगर आप 33 के तो जल्दी करवा लो अपना चेकअप, ये जरूरी है। सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है। अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है। ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर और कोलेस्ट्रॉल सब कुछ चेक करवा लो, ये है प्रोटोकॉल। डॉक्टर से मिलो, अपनी रिपोर्ट लो, हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल अपनाओ और फिट रहो। सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है। अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है। एक्सरसाइज करो, हेल्थी खाना खाओ, स्ट्रेस को दूर भगाओ और खुश रहो। रेगुलर चेकअप से बीमारियों को रोको, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, ये याद रखो। सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है। अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है। जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ। To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है। अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है, कराना है।
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO, and Redbus.